So I cut out the back end here and took out the rusty section, which looks like this. I took it out as one piece so that I could have it as a template to create the new one. So from there I took it over and I made these two templates out of construction paper. This one being the one that's running horizontally, and this one being the one that's running sort of vertically along the back of it. From there I traced it on some sheet of, I think I used 20 gauge for this, because it's not really that important. It's just not, it's a bit of structure, but more or less just to hold the back quarter out from the trunk area. So from there I took those two pieces, made these. This one. This piece. I rolled the edge here on the bead roller because this is where the outside wheel well flange sits in here, and the outside wheel well sits on here. Bring it over. I still have some fine tuning to do, but it'll fit in. I've got to put the flange was totally gone here too, so I've got to put another flange back on here, and then once that's on, I can bring this up. And that has to be slotted in behind. Goes in behind that bracket there. It'll slide in behind this bracket between these two. It looks like it's going to fit pretty good. It fits up like that. Also got to put a flange on the front of the edge of this. I couldn't bend it because it's a long curve. Anyways, yeah, let's put where it fits right about there. Yes, yeah, right about there. I started cutting the back tailgate off, peeling it back. I'll leave this all here because the new one I'm going to hang off this. So anyways, that's where I'm at. So I'll show you when I've got it installed there.